Does your Google Chrome look like this? Messy tabs all over the place and it's impossible to find what you're looking for. Hello everyone, my name is Amadeus and welcome to this channel. Today I want to show you one of my favorite features in Google Chrome that can help you tidy up your browser and make your life a little easier. Chrome's tab group feature helps you organize tabs by grouping them, naming them and adding colors. Keep work, research or free time separate for a cleaner, faster browsing experience. No more tab chaos, just easy navigation and more productivity. Let me show you how it works. If you watch this video, I assume your Google Chrome looks somewhat like this, a wide range of open tabs. If I want to find something, it's really hard to identify where it is. To quickly give you an overview what I have here, I have, for example, my inbox, my calendar and my Google Drive. Then I got some templates for research purposes. I got ChatGPT and I'm reading some articles about new AI features. I got my Etsy shop, which you can check out if you follow the link in the product description. You can see some of my listings here in these tabs. There's a content planner for my YouTube videos, my YouTube channel, and the last video that I posted. If you want to see how you can automate your deadlines in Google Sheets to a Google Calendar, check that video out. Yes, so in general, I got, let's say, some topics here that I can group together, and now I will show you how to do that. Let's start with the email. How you create groups is super easy. You just right-click and say add tab to new group. Normally I would call that auger, define a blue color, and that's it. This is my group. Of course, a group only makes sense, I would say, if you have more than one tab, so you can easily drag and drop your calendar in here and your Google Drive, and voila, you have your first group. You can simply click on this group and the tabs will appear or disappear. To group tabs together more easily, so let's assume you want to create a group called Etsy for all the Etsy tabs. You could this time simply press Shift and click the last tab so that all the 4 Etsy tabs are checked. Then you click on right click, add to group, new group. I would select the nice orange tone, call it Etsy, and you got your Etsy group. And again, you can easily hide or unhide. For a clearer structure, I would order them next to each other. So we got the auger and Etsy. Then I would like to have one for all my Excel templates that are open. So instead of pressing Shift, you can also press Command. You would select every tab individually. And you do the same, add tabs to groups, new group. This time I would call it templates. And you got your third group. For all my AI research, I would just mark them, add to groups, call it research. And in the end, this time I press Shift again, mark all of them. I have these 3 tabs, which I want to call YouTube. Perfect. Now this wild selection of open tabs is tidily structured into 5 nice groups. One new tab will be opened automatically. This is normal. Yeah, and as I said, you have a beautiful, nice structure. You can open whatever group you like. You can also move the groups however you like to have them. This personally was a game changer for me when I discovered this feature 5 years ago. Now I want to show you how you can save and delete the groups. So in general, you have the option to ungroup a group. So if you do that here, press ungroup, you see all the 3 tabs in this group are now individually shown and no group is existing anymore. So this is one way of ungrouping, and the other one is, if I quickly bring them back together, the other option is to delete the group. What this means and how this is different to ungrouping, I will show you. If we click delete, all the tabs including the group disappear. So if we remember the last time they were ungrouped, still shown in the browser, and now they're not here anymore. So that's the difference here. What else you can do is you can close the group, so they will disappear from the browser. Back in the days, until a few months ago actually, it meant that the group was gone. So every time you opened your browser again, you needed to set this group up. Now they're actually saved, which I really love. This helped me a lot. So if you close the group, they will disappear here. As they are saved in your bookmarks, you can simply click on YouTube and the group appears here again. You will always find all your groups in your bookmark here. If you click on this symbol, you can see them. And also for the quick access, if this is at one point overwhelming, you can also unpin the group from the bookmarks bar. So if you do that, Etsy disappears here, but if you click on the long list, you will still find it. So you can always, if you close the Etsy group here, you can always go to your bookmarks, open Etsy, and boom. Yes, so this is, as I said, one of my favorite features in Google Chrome. This really helped me to structure my way of working better. And of course, you can personalize that or structure that even more. For example, if you prefer a more structured way, you could also say 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for your personal structure, you always know in which order you would like to have the groups. Or if you like to be a bit more creative and like emojis, you can of course also add emojis of your choice. For that, I would generally go to emoji copy. That's my favorite page to copy any emoji that I need. So let's say for auger, I would use the mail here. For research, I would use this emoji. For YouTube, I take this recorder here. And ultimately Etsy, the basket here. Perfect. So your tabs are structured in a way like never before. To recap, Chrome's tab group feature is a simple yet powerful tool to keep your browsing experience structured and efficient. By grouping your tabs, you can quickly find what you need and maintain a more focused environment. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more productivity tips. I would also love to hear your thoughts or any questions you might have. Just leave a comment. Until next time, happy browsing!